Hello, in this video we will talk about total productive maintenance, the history and practice. Before we continue, remember to subscribe in our channel, like the video and active the notifications for help us keep making new contents. Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, developed by Seiichi Nakajima in the 1970s, is a management philosophy focused on maximizing equipment efficiency and minimizing downtime. It involves all employees and aims to reduce breakdowns, maintenance costs, and key losses like equipment failures and defects, improving overall productivity. Total Productive Maintenance was created to reduce production system costs. Originating in Japan, it represents the evolution from reactive corrective maintenance to proactive preventive maintenance. TPM expanded traditional maintenance concepts by incorporating efforts to prevent quality defects caused by equipment wear and malfunction. Total Productive Maintenance began at Nippon Denso KK, a member of the Toyota Group, which played a key role in implementing this philosophy and received the PM Award in 1971 for its effectiveness in the TPM program. TPM also stems from preventive maintenance, which originated from American maintenance philosophy. TPM can be considered a philosophy, a collection of practices and techniques aimed at maximizing the efficiency of equipment and processes used by a company. It encompasses both equipment maintenance and aspects related to its installation and operation. TPM promotes the integration of people, machines, and the company, where everyone involved in maintaining the machines plays a key role. It fosters workplace self-management, as operators take ownership of their equipment and handle its care themselves. The essence of TPM is that equipment operators participate in preventive maintenance efforts, assist mechanics with repairs when equipment is down, and work together to improve both the equipment and the overall process through group activities. TPM, using the Zero Defects Quality Control Circle, expanded the maintenance context by requiring each employee to exercise self-control over their machinery, the concept of protecting machines, the integration of company people machines, and the idea that maintenance should be everyone's responsibility within the organization. Key elements for implementing TPM include cultural change, aiming to optimize overall equipment performance, loss prevention system, establishing goals for zero accidents, zero quality defects, and zero breakdowns. Cross-departmental involvement, engaging all departments, including maintenance, production, engineering, and HR. Continuous improvement Kaizen, involving all employees from top management to operators in improvement activities. Education and training, enhancing employee awareness and skills. Improvements should empower employees to perform autonomous maintenance, enable technicians to intervene effectively, and allow engineers to design maintenance-friendly equipment. Additionally, focusing on effective equipment quality involves increasing equipment efficiency and assessing the life cycle cost, LCC, for new equipment. The goal is to reserve complex maintenance tasks for specialists while encouraging operators to handle minor maintenance activities. Machines and equipment are constantly subject to losses. Therefore, it is important to identify, measure, mitigate, and eliminate these losses whenever possible. In TPM, there are 6 major losses. 1. Breakdown losses due to equipment failures. 2. Setup and adjustment losses during changeovers. 3. Small stop losses resulting from minor stoppages. 4. Reduced speed losses caused by decreased production speed. 5. Quality defect losses due to defects in rework. 6. Yield losses related to reduced overall efficiency. Zero breakdowns refers to equipment operating without failures or interruptions, as breakdowns are the main factor in reducing stability and operational efficiency. The concept of zero breakdowns does not imply that this ideal, potentially impossible, or financially prohibitive will be fully achieved. Instead, it emphasizes that everyone should work toward continuously minimizing failures and interruptions. Several actions can help combat operational interruptions caused by breakdowns and failures. Pillars of TPM. In TPM, to eliminate the 6 major equipment losses, the following 8 activities are implemented, known as the 8 pillars of TPM development. Autonomous maintenance refers to maintenance performed by operators to ensure high productivity levels of equipment. Planned maintenance is the pillar responsible for the overall planning and control of maintenance at a macro level. Managed by the company's maintenance department, it is executed by specialized technicians. The goal is to increase overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, by improving operational availability. Focused improvement is responsible for managing equipment performance data. This pillar generates statistics and proposes optimizations through improvement groups, aiming to eliminate losses. Education and training in TPM manage the knowledge control of operators, technicians, engineers, and managers involved in the process. Initial control refers to establishing a management system for the early stages of new projects and/or equipment. Quality maintenance aims to implement a zero defects program. Administrative TPM involves applying TPM methodology across all company sectors to improve overall efficiency. The safety, health, and environment pillar focuses on achieving zero workplace and environmental accidents. It is essential as it enforces accident prevention through legal and environmental safety requirements. TPM implementation. TPM is typically implemented in 4 phases. 1. Preparation. 2. Introduction. 3. Implementation. 4. Consolidation. The 4 phases are associated with 12 steps. 1. Preparation phase involves top management's decision to adopt TPM. 2. Introduction phase focuses on the initial adoption and setup of TPM. 3. Implementation phase operationalizes the 8 pillars of TPM. 4. Consolidation phase aims to refine and integrate TPM practices within the organization. The initial step involves top management's decision to adopt the principles of TPM. This decision should be communicated to all employees to raise awareness of the philosophy and foster a collaborative environment to achieve the program's expectations and goals. All organizational sectors, including production, research and development, quality, purchasing, projects, sales, finance, accounting, and human resources, as well as maintenance, should be engaged in the philosophy. Training enhances awareness of the importance of using TPM as a management tool. The 3rd step involves establishing the organizational structure for TPM. The 4th step focuses on determining the fundamental guidelines to be followed during the TPM implementation. The 5th step is the formalization of the master plan for the TPM philosophy. This plan should encompass everything from the initial preparations for conducting TPM to evaluating the results achieved. Initially, a timeline should be created that includes the 12 steps outlined in the TPM development program. The 6th step marks the starting point of TPM, initiating the challenge to eliminate the 6 major losses related to machinery and equipment. The 7th step involves structuring the pillars of TPM to ensure the reliability of the production system. The 8th step corresponds to initial control, where assessments of inconveniences and imperfections are conducted, along with the incorporation of improvements, even in new machines. This knowledge enables the development of projects that include maintenance prevention concepts aimed at achieving zero breakdowns or failures. The 9th step focuses on maintaining quality. The 10th step involves implementing administrative TPM, which includes a review of administrative routines to eliminate losses and pursue continuous process improvement. The 11th step integrates safety, health, and environmental actions within the TPM framework. The 12th step entails the full application of TPM and the pursuit of continuous improvement. If you have any question, type in the comments section. Talk to you in the next videos. Bye.